Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Hanabishi low-sugar rice cooker. This innovative appliance helps reduce the sugar content in your rice, promoting a healthier diet. Before your first use, ensure you thoroughly wash the inner pot, steam tray, and all accessories with warm, soapy water. Rinse them well and dry completely. Then, place the inner pot back into the main unit, ensuring it sits properly. You're now ready to begin cooking delicious, healthier rice with ease. To cook low-sugar rice, first measure your desired amount of rice using the included cup. Rinse the rice under cold water several times until the water runs clear, then drain it well. Place the rinsed rice into the inner pot. Add water according to the specific low-sugar cooking instructions, often a 1-to-1 ratio of rice to water. Close the lid securely, select the low sugar or reduced sugar function on the control panel, and press start. The cooker will automatically begin the process, separating excess starch. Beyond low-sugar rice, your Hanabishi cooker is incredibly versatile. For regular rice, simply measure and rinse your rice, then add water to the appropriate line marked inside the inner pot for white or brown rice. Select the white rice or brown rice function and press start. Many models also offer functions for steaming vegetables, cooking porridge, or even making soup. Utilize the provided steam basket to prepare healthy steamed dishes while your rice cooks below, maximizing efficiency and convenience in your kitchen. Proper cleaning ensures the longevity and optimal performance of your Hanabishi rice cooker. Always unplug the unit and allow it to cool completely before cleaning. Remove the inner pot, steam tray, and inner lid, washing them with warm, soapy water and a soft sponge. Rinse thoroughly and dry completely. For the main body, simply wipe it down with a damp cloth, never immerse it in water. Ensure all components are dry before reassembling and storing your cooker in a cool, dry place. Regular maintenance keeps your appliance in top condition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.